Here is how I clean my microwave using simple ingredients that are easily found in your pantry or kitchen. So the ingredients that we will need, or rather the things that we will need to clean the microwave are very simple, which include a lemon, vinegar, dishwashing soap, water, and a microfiber cloth. We will put the cut lemon into a cup, or you can use a microwave safe container and put in your lemon, your vinegar, some water, and then you place it inside the microwave for about 4 to 5 minutes. Once the timer goes out, you need to open the microwave and remove your container or your cup. Be very careful not to burn yourself because the steam in there is really hot and everything inside that microwave is hot. So remove the mixture from the cup or the container that you're using, transfer it to a kitchen basin or a big bowl like I am doing here today, and then add some warm water. Make sure it's not too hot because it will burn your hands, and then some dishwashing soap and a microfiber cloth. And then back in the microwave you will remove the plate. By then it will have cooled off a little bit. You remove the plate, the microwave plate, and the ring also. Wash them and let them dry for a minute or so as you do the rest of the cleaning. So you will wash your plate, be careful not to break it. Once you have cleaned the plate and the ring, it's time to deal with the inside. Please remember to switch off your microwave. At this stage, I'd still not remember to switch it off, but please do switch it off before starting wiping it on the inside. The other thing to remember is that if you've not deep cleaned your microwave for quite some time, it will really be gross. Like mine, it was really bad on the inside, just as you can see. So I was just wiping it and then we move on with life, but this was really good for it this time around. So the steam that is released by the water and the vinegar and the lemon, it helps soften the dirt that is inside the microwave. So that's why it's so easy to wipe it down and remove every other thing that is stuck to the walls of the microwave. So once you're done with the inside part of it, you now come to the outside. You clean it, and then after you've cleaned it, you dry it up using a dry kitchen towel. A dry towel or microfiber cloth, or a kitchen towel, or even a serviette can also work. to give me your comments once you've tried this process of cleaning the microwave, and please subscribe. See you in the next one. Bye.